Riches gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking some old worn out heels and transforming it into some new luxury looking heels. These are my old, well, you know what, I'm gonna be real with you, they're actually not old. I just used to wear them every single day, and yeah, so they end up looking rough like this. So I just decided to take it and make it into something else because I love the way it feels. It's so comfortable on my feet, and I didn't want to just throw it away. So I cleaned it a little bit. That's why you see that Steve Madden sign is all white. It wasn't white before. I had to like brush it. The rest of the shoe, I couldn't do that. So I am transforming it into something a little bit different. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so as you can see, I have all my materials that I'm going to use for the video. I have my stones that I got from Amazon, my E6000 glue, all right, my E6000 glue, my heels, of course, and that's all you really need for this project. So if you have some old pair of heels, come on, let's do this together. All right, so first things first, what you're going to do is take the E6000 glue and go ahead and start putting the glue on the shoe. I put little dots of the glue on the heels, and that's just because I wanted to know where I was going to place each rhinestone. I know you just see a little some glue just spilled over. It's okay. Well, for what I'm doing, it's okay because it's going to be all jeweled, so it doesn't matter if there's glue falling of areas. So yeah, so what I did was I just started with my big stones and my stones that match each other, because I'm going to be honest with you, only those few stones that you see in front of you right now matches. The rest doesn't match. So I just took those and I worked with that first, and then right there I was just explaining to you guys that before you put the stones, wait a few seconds, then put the stones on the E6000 glue. And that's just because it was sliding down for me, but I realized after a while that one started sliding too. So what you would have to do is just level the heels onto something, and that's what I ended up doing. I ended up leveling it because it just wasn't working out for your girl. So yeah, you just want to continue putting stones all over the heels. This project is very, very simple. It did took a little bit of time, and that's because, believe it or not, I did not have enough stones. So I had to make it work. And I did make it work because, you wouldn't know that until I told you just now. But as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm just putting dots on the same areas that I put it on one heel, so both heels are the same for right now. And then as you can see, I started switching up the stones now because I was running out of the colors that matches each other. So yeah, that's what I did, y'all. Just continue put it on there and make sure it's level so it can dry. Once it's dry, y'all, it ain't going nowhere, so don't worry about it falling off while you're walking and you feel like you're gonna be embarrassed. Nah, it ain't moving once it's dried. Unless you snatch it off, but it ain't moving. And then I'm just showing you right here, I decided to take all of the bright colors, bright beautiful colors, and put it on the front of the heel so it could pop more, because it was just looking a little bit dark for me. Like if it wasn't for that red stone, it was just gonna look like, yeah, a little dark, a little, angry. But yeah, I just continue putting the bright stones all over the front of the heel. And then I just randomly put the pieces on there. As you can see now, I'm just randomly putting it everywhere, so it doesn't really have to match the other shoe. Now, I know you guys are saying, why is one of the heels, why it fell off? It really didn't fall off. I put it like that, and that's just because I'm working on the side of the heel now. Now I just put it that way so it can stay on and when it slide off. So this is how it looks so far. I'm showing you guys the back and how I'm going to do the back. So I'm pretty much going to use these stones and also the clear stones. So this is how it looks up front. It's still drying. It's cute so far. Look at it. Bling bling. Who ain't got $1,000,000? Who? Okay, I ain't got $1,000,000, but now I'm just showing you guys the back. I put it on the back, and I know you guys are just like, okay, the lower part of the heel, where the stones at? Don't worry, it's coming. So I decided to use some tiny stones that I've had from another project that I did. And I took those stones and I put it towards the bottom. And it fit perfectly, and look at it. Yes, it's a photo shoot. Yes. Yeah, this is so cute. Like I said, it was super easy. I would just recommend for you guys to buy like 5 or 6, maybe 7 pack of stones. So you guys, we're pretty much done here. So this is the final look. I hope you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Love you, Riches gang. Peace.